This is the professional electric hair clipper unboxing. Including the package, trimmer, charging stand, USB charging cable, comb, brush, one cape, and 4 different comb sizes. Here I'm showing the unit charging, and so I'm just placing it on the stand. Here I'm going to quickly go through some of the features and settings. So I'll use power on, and there's a power indicator. So it has an LCD display, ceramic blade titanium edge, 3.4 adjustable speeds, and charge time is 3 hours, and you get 4 hours of cutting. Here you can change the setting by just turning it clockwise and counterclockwise. Here I'm doing a trimmer test and on my son, my 8-year-old son, so he's just standing there while my wife cuts his hair. Normally he would be a little bit impatient and doesn't like the trimmers because they kind of hurt him. This one does an extremely good job, and it doesn't hurt him, although it does tickle him as he specifies. Here's the final results. As you can tell, it's a clean cut. The lines are easy to make straight. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.